Superdome having a STEM Fest brought to you by Chevron and the Greater New Orleans Sports Foundation. Students will be able to engage with 60 plus different stations, they'll be able to build cars, fly a drone. We also have a flight simulator. We have a Starlab where students will be able to take a trip across the universe all the way back here to 70112 at the Superdome. A maker space where we have students building cars that will actually go. They have a motor. It'll be really fun to watch them race.
I'm so happy to be here today at our 11th anniversary STEM Fest. It was 11 years ago, almost to this date, December 14, 2013, we had our first STEM Fest. We had an idea, we had a vision that we bring STEM to the community and increase the STEM literacy in the community, then the community will pursue STEM careers and do better in life and just have a better understanding of how things work. After 11 years, we've engaged over 200,000 K-12 kids, and we're seeing the fruit of our labor as we're seeing kids who are here today volunteering. Well, grown people who are here today volunteering who actually participated in one of those STEM Fests over the last 11 years and said, hey, that day opened my mind and made me believe, made me wonder about what I can do in life. Exposure is key, and if we expose our kids, there's no telling what it is that they may end up doing.
There's so many phenomenal stations I can't even pick. We have a huge group of Chevron volunteers here today, quite a bit of geologists. So we're gonna have a lot of them over at the geology station looking at some really cool rocks, sedimentary, what have you. Drones are also a really cool thing that a lot of our Chevron engineers like to play around with and what they like to use also in their line of work. So many cool stations, but those are really two popular ones we're really excited to see. And overall, we're just really happy to be here and engage with these young minds and hopefully potentially ignite a passion in STEM for them, and they might have this as a future career.
It's very important for the Greater New Orleans Sports Foundation to play this role with STEM NOLA, and we're here today at the RNL Caesars New Orleans Bowl because it gives children at a very young age the excitement to figure out how their mind works, right? There's no such thing as a short imagination. And I think we see that present here today at the STEM Fest that STEM NOLA has helped put on today at the RNL Caesars New Orleans Bowl. You know, all of these 60, 80 tables full of STEM activations that kids can come and literally put their hands on and get excited about and say, how does this work? Why does this do this? How does this go from point A to point Z? It just gets their mind and their imagination going. And like I said, you know, there is no short imagination, right? These kids get their hands on these real world activations and can think, how can I do the impossible? How can I make this do this? And it just gets their imagination going and sparks the next Albert Einstein.
I made it so the first step was the chassis. Second step, putting the tape. The third step, putting the plastic. Step 4, getting the wires. Step 5, get a wing. Step 6, put it on the motor. Step 7, put batteries. Step 8, decorate. Step 9, decorate. Step 9 is tape the monkey.